guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will be preparing some sweet and sour chicken for dinner, and these are my chicken that I'm using that was already cleaned and washed. I have about 3 chicken thighs here that I cut in fine pieces. Then I added some onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, Cajun seasoning, and paprika, and some black pepper. Then I'm just going to mix everything thoroughly together and then set it aside for it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Then here I have some flour that I'm going to be using to coat my chicken. I also added a teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning and chicken seasoning to the batter. Then I'm going to be adding in the chicken pieces and shake just to get all the pieces covered with the flour mixture. And once all my pieces of chicken were fully coated, now we're going to move on to the frying stage. I did eat some oil in my frying pan, and we're going to be frying these for 4 minutes on each side. And I know a lot of persons may say they don't use the parts with bones on the chicken to do their sweet and sour, and that is fine. If you have chicken thighs, chicken legs, and you want to cut it up finely and make your sweet and sour chicken for your dinner, go ahead and do so. You don't only have to use the boneless parts to make it. Once you have the ingredients and you like to have that for dinner, then why not? Go ahead. I sometimes do it with just chicken breast, and that is okay. Now once all my chickens were fried, now I'm going to be removing them from the pan, and then we're going to move on to our vegetables and making the sauce. So here are my vegetables that I'll be adding in. I have onions, garlic, scallion, tomato, and some carrots. And now I'm just going to be sauteing these. And here I'm just adding in about half teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning just to build the flavors of the vegetables. Now for the sauce, I'll be adding in some chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, lime juice, tomato ketchup, and orange juice, along with some sugar. And once my vegetables were halfway cooked, now I'm adding in the orange juice. Next, I'm going to be adding in some lime juice, then some tomato ketchup, next, I added about half teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder. Then I added some of my paprika, and we're just going to mix everything thoroughly. Okay, so now I added about 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I added some more tomato ketchup and a piece of ginger. I like to add the ginger in like this, so once everything is simmered down, I can remove the ginger so we don't mistake it for a piece of meat. All right, so once everything was simmered down, then I added in my chicken. And guys, the aroma that I was getting from this sauce, it was so delicious. And once we added in our chicken, we just allow it to stay on for at least 2 to 3 minutes more, because remember, our chickens were fully cooked before. We just wanted to soak up all that sauce, and then we can plate it up. And once you've watched this video to the end, please remember to like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.